In the face of climate change and the need to optimize agricultural production costs, no-plow farming is gaining increasing popularity. This farming model is supported by subsidy systems under eco-schemes and promoted through knowledge sharing. This method, based on retaining crop residues in the field and avoiding soil inversion, shows many benefits for both the environment and farm efficiency. The reduced number of intensive farming operations positively impacts not only the soil, but also fuel consumption. No-plow farming, also known as plowless farming, brings a range of significant benefits. Firstly, leaving crop residues in the field prevents soil erosion, both wind and water erosion. This way the soil structure is preserved and protected from degradation, which is important for maintaining its quality and fertility over time. Traditional plowing can lead to soil erosion by exposing it to wind and water, while no-plow farming minimizes this risk by maintaining the soil's integrity and fertility. Furthermore, no-plow farming helps reduce fuel usage and greenhouse gas emissions. Reducing the number of trips with heavy farming machinery, typical for traditional farming, leads to lower fuel consumption and emissions. This in turn translates to lower production costs and environmental benefits. Moreover, no-plow farming promotes biodiversity in the soil. Minimal mechanical interventions help preserve microorganisms, insects, and other organisms vital to soil health. This in turn makes plants more resistant to diseases and pests, which can lead to better yields and more efficient farming. And there are even more benefits. Implementing no-plow farming can be a challenging process, but the long-term benefits outweigh the difficulties of the initial adaptation period. Farmers must primarily embrace this method through their own experiences. The most important thing is a fresh perspective on cultivating and caring for the soil. Hence, numerous promotional activities and education on the fuel savings in no-plow farming. By introducing incentive systems and providing adequate education, many farmers can be motivated to undertake specific practices. The most crucial component of effective no-plow farming is the appropriate farming machinery. A disc harrow, stubble cultivator, mulch harrow, appropriately selected subsoiler, or seeder are just a few examples of tools necessary for effective practices. Properly adjusting the machinery fleet is vital for efficiency, effectiveness of no-plow farming, and fuel savings. Modern machines resulting from engineers' work are not only multifunctional, enabling various tasks to be performed with a single machine throughout the growing season. Their modern design also positively impacts fuel consumption reduction thanks to their ergonomic construction. Such machines are available at Rolmako. The producer's offer includes comprehensive solutions, excellently designed multifunctional machines, and equipment intended for modern no-plow farming. Rolmako's offer includes a wide range of equipment designed with no-plow farming in mind. The company is characterized by modern construction and ergonomic working elements that easily loosen the soil. One of the main benefits of no-plow farming, especially from an economic perspective, is of course the reduction of working time and fuel consumption. Although initially there may be a reduction in yields, especially in the first years of implementing the method, the long-term benefits in the form of improved soil structure and reduced machine working resistance lead to savings in time and fuel. Over the years, the efficiency of no-plow farming increases, resulting in greater economic benefits for the farm. Research conducted on the experimental fields of the Department of General Crop Cultivation and Plant Science Institute of Plant Production of the Podlaska Academy in 1999 to 2002 clearly indicates the potential for fuel savings with the use of no-plow techniques. Introducing cultivation and harrowing after harvest allows for a reduction in fuel consumption by almost 30%, specifically by 28.6% when abandoning plowing. It is worth noting that since the time of these studies, the technology of constructing agricultural machinery has significantly developed. However, to understand the significance of these savings, it is necessary to look at the broader context. Traditional farming, based on intensive use of plows, generates high fuel consumption and emission of harmful substances into the atmosphere. In comparison, no-plow methods are more environmentally friendly as they do not require deep plowing, which allows for reduced fuel consumption and maintenance of soil structure and biological diversity. This results from the fewer agricultural treatments needed. Cultivation or harrowing are alternatives to traditional plowing. Cultivation, which involves breaking the soil into smaller pieces using a cultivator, prepares the field for sowing without the need for deep plowing. Harrowing, on the other hand, uses a disc harrow to break down plant residues and increase soil aeration, which also reduces fuel consumption. Additionally, introducing post-harvest field cultivation helps maintain the soil in excellent condition and reduces the number of weeds and volunteer plants. The benefits of fuel savings in no-plow farming are not limited only to environmental aspects. Fuel savings also translate into lower agricultural production costs, which can significantly impact the profitability of the operation. Furthermore, reducing exhaust emissions supports sustainable development goals and improves air quality. The conclusion from the conducted and cited research is unequivocal. The use of no-plow farming techniques is an essential tool in striving for sustainable agriculture. Fuel savings, reduction of greenhouse gas emissions, and soil structure preservation are just some of the benefits of this approach. In the face of changing climate conditions and increasing demand of agricultural products, investing in no-plow techniques is becoming not just a necessity, but also an opportunity for the future of sustainable agriculture. Do you like the content we publish? Do you want to delve into the topic even more today? If so, we warmly invite you to visit our blog, available at the link rolmako.com/blog. The main goal of Rolmako is to ensure your success in agriculture. We aim to provide you with as much valuable knowledge as possible about adapting agricultural practices to various factors such as soil type, climate conditions, and the guidelines of the European Union's Common Agricultural Policy. Our articles are carefully crafted to provide you with comprehensive information and practical tips which will help you achieve optimal results in your agricultural operations. Don't wait any longer. Visit our blog now and deepen your knowledge, which will contribute to the development of your farm. And what are your observations on this matter? Do you notice time and money savings where you don't practice traditional plowing? Let us know in the comments and stay tuned for more vlogs on our channel.